Welcome to the Bioimaging Facility's instructional video on creating glass knives. Follow along with these steps to produce high-quality knives. These are the parts of the Leica EM KMR2 knife maker that will be used. The rotatable knob controls the rear stop. In obtaining a glass strip, ensure that the bumpy edge of the strip is identified. This is because it should always face down throughout the procedure. Handle the glass strip carefully, as it is very sharp. Make sure you wear gloves throughout this entire process to prevent contaminating the glass with oils from your skin. Clean the glass strip with 80% ethanol and a Kim wipe to ensure that it is free of any contaminants. Wear goggles throughout the breaking process to prevent damage from glass chips flying. The glass will be broken in half continuously until you have 2 glass squares for 2 knife pairs. Adjust the movable stop to accommodate the appropriate length of glass such that the middle of the glass strip is aligned with the scoring shaft. Use the rotatable knob to secure the glass against the front and rear stops before turning the clamping lever to lower the scoring head. Tighten the clamping lever until the Sharpie marks align. Adjust the scoring line to the appropriate length, using the long score for breaks that won't result in a knife pair. Pull the scoring shaft towards you with a constant speed and pressure before slowly turning the braking lever clockwise. Turn the braking lever minimally, pausing to see if the score line thickens. Continue until a small bubble appears in the score line, waiting for the bubble to expand, resulting in the glass breaking. To reset the knife maker, release the braking lever by turning it counterclockwise. Lift the clamping lever, push the rear stop away from you using the rotatable knob, remove the glass, and adjust the movable stop if needed. This is the final break of the glass strip that results in 2 glass squares. To make the knife pair, start by identifying the fresh fracture face of each square. Place the square in the knife maker with the fresh fracture face facing towards the bottom right in a diamond orientation. Ensure the top and bottom corners of the square fit snugly in the bottom U-bend and the topmost square of the front and rear stop. Change the score length to the short score. The lifting tool used to move glass squares should be left under the square as the breaking steps are repeated. Ensure that the braking lever is slowly turned when making the knife pairs, as slower turns equal less pressure, increasing the potential for sharper knives. Each glass square will make 2 knives, and the non-cutting edge of each knife in the pair will give information on the quality of the other knife in the pair. More parallel and narrower knife shoulders indicate a sharper knife edge on the opposing knife in the pair. Only the left side of the knife edge should be used, and it should be parallel with the bottom of the knife or floor. The right end of the knife edge should naturally curl towards the ceiling. Here are the cutting and non-cutting edges of the knife pair. Freshly made knives will be much sharper than weeks-old knives, even if they have not yet been used. By following these detailed steps, you can consistently create sharp, high-quality glass knives. Remember to always work carefully and patiently for the best results. Thank you for watching, and happy knife making!